Hello, friends. Welcome to another episode of Analyzing the Markets. Today, my name is Jay Flores. Thank you for tuning in. We can analyze some of the markets that we were looking since last Sunday. Let me do something real quick. So, my background for trading, it's I like to see Elliott wave. I like to trade structures and Fibonacci. So I mix a little bit of pretty much everything because I learned in a few years everything. So I see everything. Well, not everything, but I apply a lot of the knowledge and pretty much experience in my trading. But I try to make it as simple as possible at the same time. Okay, so let's get it going. Thank you for subscribing. If you just recently subscribed to our channel, thank you so much. Please push the notification button so you'll be notified if I drop another video. And we're going to get it going right away so I don't waste your valuable time this Wednesday, January 10. Let's see how the markets are moving, but they're kind of slow, okay, this week for some reason. But let's look at this. I was looking on Sunday GBP odd, and on Sunday I'm pretty sure we were around this area. Let me see. Today is the 10. It was yesterday. The 8. It was here. Monday. We were around this area, and I was let me get rid of that box right there. So I had previously I had a box like right here. And I was, let me go to the 1 hour now. I was telling and everybody, and I had a market Fibonacci here also, right there. So I was shooting for the market to come here. You can see the video if you like, to come to that area, and it did perfectly right now. We are at that area, okay? But let me tell you something before you go into this market. I traded this in this area right here. As a matter of fact, I enter my trade in the 1 hour when they crossed the 8 and the 14 right there, and I was able to catch about 70 pips. I didn't went all the way. I think I stopped around this area over here. I was in the 15-minute, and right now it's sitting right at 61.8. So that's where you're looking reaction all the time in the markets. Okay. Now the only reason I might stay away and not trade it down is because if I look at the 4 hour, check it out. I have this trend line right there, okay? I have that trend line right there. But I want to show you something else real quick. This is the indicators that I use on my NT4. Okay, let me get rid of those lines right there. Grid separator, the period separators. Okay, on the GPR, this is what my indicators are telling me. That's the daily right now. In the daily, obviously, I think we still got more high, but in the 4 hour, the market is telling me it's gonna do a correction at that point. So we are currently in a correction point. So if I go to the 1 hour, the market's telling me that it's probably gonna go down. And it is a good point. We're in the 61.8 of Fibonacci. We know because we're on. I used Trading View to analyze the markets, the mirror markings, and the Fibonacci. Then I come to my indicators right here just to double check. So if you have the 8 and the 14, the best thing you can do, you can trade this down definitely. When you see let me give you guys an alert right here. When you see the price crossing below this trend line right there, and it is crossing also the 8 and the 14. You can trade it down. If those things don't happen, I wouldn't go into that trade. Okay, but that's for GP odd. That's my alert pretty much of the day. Already caught my 70 pips here. I am debating if I'm gonna trade this down or not, because we're right at the trend line. So if this breaks that trend line, I will probably, let me get rid of everything again. Let me go to the 30 minutes. So again, there's the lowest point right there. I will put my trend line exactly at this point, and it's almost at the 50 MA. So I see a clear break. I would probably trade this for for another 50-40 pips, maybe all the way down. All depends. Once you go in, I mean, this 2 MAs, they'll help you to stay in the market. As long as they don't cross back or something, you can stay longer in the markets. Okay, so that's for GP odd. I was also checking on GBP/JPY. I was hoping that the market, we were around this area, and I put that that's why I put my alarm right there, but it didn't went all the way down. Okay, so it didn't went all the way to my Fibonacci golden area. It jumped up from the 38 pretty much. So I'm not saying this can still have a chance to come to that Fibonacci area, so we're gonna wait. If it goes here, I'm in the trade. I'm gonna way up. Okay, so this is on the 30 minutes. Why am I on the way up? Because the trend line, I mean, pretty much the trend is going up, so your highest chances is to keep climbing. That's the high, unless it's gonna do a correction. But in the meantime, I'm looking for buys in the golden area, support area right there. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. And I also had AUD/USD. AUD/USD, I'm currently in this trade right now. Why am I in this trade? This is not, well, it is a Fibonacci, I'll explain right now. But I'm on this downtrend on the 4-hour. So I saw that the price on AUD/USD was playing in that area right now. And plus, we have this play right here. This move broke this structure right here, right? You can see that clear. So automatically we fit that move. And we noticed that we were in that, excuse me, we were in the 78 to 80, 88, but it haven't broke up. Okay, so that is telling me that we still have a possibility to come down. I'm in this trade. I have my stop loss right here, very tight. Okay, and in case this goes up, that's just the trade is, it's just gonna go, it's breaking up pretty much. Okay, but right now I'm trading down. That's what I see, and that's what I'm trading. Okay, what else? I was looking at the gold also. The gold is kind of the same idea. In the daily, we're in this trend coming down right now. So let me go to the 4-hour. And in the 4-hour, make this bigger, because we're about to get a trade on this one. You can see it, right? So the market already broke this smaller trend line, but I'm waiting just for the red to cross below the blue, and also the 50 pretty much. If the market breaks this area over here, it's a good entrance, okay, to sell gold. and just follow it to see how far it goes. Pretty much, if that happens, it will move that way. Okay, we also had GPUSD on this one. We had a box going since Sunday, and that box was broken. And what we are waiting now, I haven't marked it yet, but what's next is I'll wait for the market to go to this area over here and retest the box, retest 61.8. And if we have signs or we have alerts or price action indicating that we need to go higher, we're going to go higher with the markets. Okay, friends? So, thank you very much. If you guys have any questions or any concerns, I try not to follow a lot of pairs, so I can maintain focus on a few pairs. I try to do the GBPs because they move a lot quicker than others. They provide more pips. And also, I almost forgot the US 30. US 30. What happened with this one? Well, we're in the daily. We're in a clear uptrend. You can see that, no doubt. Okay. So what we're looking for is for those retracements for us to go with the trend. We have a break of a structure right there, and this original move it started right here. So we can put our Fibonacci. Well, we'll put the Fibonacci right here. That's the original move right there. So we'll get it about here. Go do 0, and we're waiting for the market to come and visit this area over here. Maybe the trend line, that will be real good, because that will give us the 3 things. It will give us Fibonacci golden area, it will give us a trend line, and also structure over here. There's a zone right there. We see that support, we see resistance. When they get together like that, that's a strong zone. So if we get that US 30 over here, when we get the right price action, it's time to go up. Well, thank you very much, friends. Again, if this is the first time for you seeing this videos analysis, I'm going to do this on Saturday again. Please subscribe. I want to push this program and to get at least 1,000 subscribers so we can do live trading and stuff like that. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Be safe out there. Send your questions. If you'd like me to do a analysis for a special pair that you're trading, let me know, and I will do that analysis in the next video. See you guys.